Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss circle problems. A rectangle ABCD inscribed in a circle with a diameter lying along the line 3y equal to x plus 10. If a equal to minus 6 comma 7, b equal to 4 comma 7, then the area of rectangle in the square units is, these are the options. First, rectangle diagram, you have to draw that rough diagram. While taking the points also observe the logic. What logic behind that? Minus 6 comma 7, 4 comma 7. If you observe that points, in that points y coordinates are equal. Whenever y coordinates are equal, it should be parallel line. That means horizontal line. It forms. In the diagram only answer will be there. So A point is minus 6 comma 7. B point is 4 comma 7. So to form the rectangle, more 2 points is required. That is CD I am taking. How to write that points of C and D? This is parallel to this one, and observe that BC is vertical line, AC is vertical line. For vertical line, x coordinate should be equal. So here x coordinate is 4 means obviously C x coordinate is 4. We don't know about y coordinate. That I am assuming that alpha. Here also same thing. A x coordinate is minus 6. The A and D are vertical line means x coordinate should be equal. So minus 6 comma here also alpha. Why? Because this is horizontal line. For horizontal line y coordinate should be equal. Now join like this. If you draw the circle through these points, like this. Now rectangle inscribed the circle. Diameter of the circle either BD or AC. I am taking that this one BD or AC also you can take. This line is 3y is equal to x plus 10. The midpoint of BD lies on this diameter line. So midpoint of BD, midpoint M is equal to midpoint of BD line, or BD means diameter, or AC also diameter, or AC. Okay, we can take only one. M is equal to minus 6 plus 4 by 2 and alpha plus 7 by 2, which is equal to minus 2 by 2 minus 1 alpha plus 7 by 2. M value lies on this line. M lies on the diameter. 3y is equal to x plus 10. In place of y and x substitute, this is x value, this is y value. So 3 into alpha plus 7 by 2 equal to x value is minus 1 plus 10, which is equal to 9. 3 into alpha plus 7 by 2, 3 ones are 3, 3s are cross multiply. Alpha plus 7 equal to 6. Alpha is equal to minus 1. Whenever alpha is equal to minus 1, these coordinates will becomes minus 6 comma 7, B is equal to 4 comma 7, and C is 4 comma minus 1, and D is minus 6 comma minus 1. Rectangular area they are asking. This is length, this is breadth. So length L is equal to AB. Distance between these two, easy to calculate. No need to apply that square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Mod, whenever y coordinates are equal, distance between these 2 points is difference of x coordinates. Minus 6 minus 4, which is equal to mod minus 10 means 10. Breadth B equal to either BC or AD you can take. I am taking as BC, which is equal to, in BC, whenever x coordinates are equal, difference of y coordinates is the length of this one. So 7 minus 1 minus 7 which is equal to minus 8 mod which is equal to 8. Therefore the area of rectangle L into B which is equal to AB into BC which is equal to 10 into 8 which is equal to 80 square units, which is there in the first option.